Newest phone, even old phones with 5 gig RAM, any RAM they have always gets slow because of the kind of app they use. It's not about the RAM they use. They get so too much apps makes the phone move slower. So today we're going to learn how you could use your phone, whether 2 gig RAM, 1 gig RAM, 3 gig RAM on a fast mode. So hope you learned a lot. Let's go. All we are going to do is download and install any memory cleaner app from the Play Store, from the Google Play Store. So I've already downloaded Boost Plus made by HTC, so I'm going to use it now. After you successfully open the app, open the junk section. Then after clicking it, you can see it's reading the files. So you leave it for it to read all the junked files. Then when it's done, just a minute, yeah, it's done now. You could see all the files that you just read out. So you could click on that clean icon, that icon that signifies cleaning. You could click on it to clean it. You can see now I've already cleaned it. You could also use the ES File Explorer cleaning method to clean the remaining junk file that your other app could not find or locate, because ES File Explorer is more advanced in cleaning. Yes, you could also uninstall unused app. Understand, like 12 launchers. What are you using 12 launchers for? You need to uninstall them, free up the space. That is how you make your RAM work better. Like you can see, I tried to uninstall it, but I'm using that app, so I can't uninstall it. Again, you need to uninstall bloatware apps, those pre-installed apps that came with your phone, those software kept apps that are useless to you. So you can't remove those apps until your phone is booted. And our last method for today is using the developers mode twerking. So to enable it, you need to go to your settings about phone, then you click on your build number couple of times until you become a developer. You can see I'm already a developer. Then you go to your developer option, the place open. Make sure you enable developer option, then just click anything that comes up. First, you have to disable all animations. You will see all the animations. Just click on it. Just wait for a while, you will see them. Yeah, disable all, keep them off, so your phone will perform faster than ever. Then enable the 2D, yeah, the first GPU rendering and the 4 times MSAA. Enable all those things. It will make your phone perform faster. It happens for some phones, like my phone, it works for me when I use that way. Then background limit again, how many apps could run on your background, so just tweak it and observe if there's a difference. It's also advised to check your RAM usage, check what app use how much RAM space on your phone, so you will know how to manage them. If any app that is useless to you use a lot of space, all you have to do is to uninstall those apps. You understand? So just check it. Like now I'm using 2 gig RAM and you can see the space I have left on my RAM and everything. So just how could I say, just mess up with your phone, check many things, follow this tutorial, and yeah, your phone will work better than ever. That's what I'm gonna say. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.